everyone, so here I'm going to show you what we're going to create today, and you can do this at home. Right now we're just starting off with a pencil and a paper, and I'm going to draw some plants. You can draw whatever you want. If you don't want to draw plants, that's fine. So I'm first going to draw my plant, and then maybe I'll put it in a vase. We'll see though. You can hold your paper whatever way you want to. Remember, when you're drawing, draw lightly so that you can erase easily. And I'm just gonna draw really lightly and start sketching out my idea. If you don't wanna sketch it right on your paper and you wanna sketch it on somewhere else so that you can transfer it to a final like we do in art, that's fine. But I'm just gonna draw really lightly so I don't have to use a sketch. And I can erase my lines when I make a mistake. Okay, now I'm going to trace my pencil lines. I'm going to put newspaper underneath or something so that it doesn't go through onto the surface you're working on. If you don't have a Sharpie, you could always use a pen or a different color marker, but don't use a washable marker because that will run when we do the next step. So I'm just going to trace over my pencil lines. Like I said, you could use a pen or something else if you don't have that. And then I'm going to erase my pencil lines. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the piece of aluminum foil that you should have. My aluminum's a little too big, so I'm just going to fold it. If you want, you can cut it, but it's probably easier for you to just fold it so that it's roughly the same size. If it's a little bigger, that's okay. I'm keeping my newspaper here too. I might spread it out a little to protect it. I'm going to put my drawing off to the side and just work on my aluminum foil now. So this is where the washable markers come in. You can take any color you want. They must be washable or will not work. And you're going to color this aluminum foil with those markers. Make sure wherever you're coloring that you're coloring up at the top and working your way down to the bottom, because this will be wet from the markers and you don't want to get your hands all dirty. You can color it however you want to. Color it nicely. But this is going to be a more abstract piece, which means it's going to be more based on colors to go over top of our drawing. Okay, now I have it all colored in. I'm going to spray it with my water bottle. I'm just adjusting the spray now. You can see it's already blurring those colors a little. That's fine. I'm going to take my picture that I drew, flip it over, press it on top of that, and then I'm going to rub. So it's transferring the color onto my picture that I just drew. Make sure you rub all edges of it and in the middle too, so that you're getting the whole picture pressed down on it. Once you feel you've done that for, I don't know, let's say about 20 seconds, you're going to take your paper and your aluminum foil and you're going to pull it off. Your aluminum foil you don't need anymore. And it will create this really cool tie-dye effect on there. It's okay too if it didn't show up in all areas. It's just part of the look. Have fun.